These are the different types of the trucks, or hand pallet truck, or semi-electric or pallet trucks. Sorry, or also manual stacker, or also semi-electric stacker. So each stacker having their own purpose. And you may use, if at all you want, simply moving the HUs one location to other location. Okay, whereas maybe I will draw it. Okay, this is the hand is a simple movements. One you wanted to move one location to the other. You may use a semi-automatic one. Okay, you can stand and you can move to the any location within the warehouse. And you may use the electric pallet truck also. This is a completely automated one. You can stand, the operator will stand here. He will keep handling in it. He will travel. And this manual stacker, we may use a manual stacker for the lifting the HUs. Okay, and some we want to keep at the somewhere one over the other. Okay, one HU over the other HU. Then you use a manual stacker. We may use semi-electric stacker. Okay, we may use very high-end electrical stackers where you want to access the several heights of the racking. Okay, we have a ground, first floor, you have a several racking, right? I come across maximum is 7 to 8 access. The current warehouse, as I said, is the biggest warehouse in the Europe. Like almost I can say you can walk almost 10 minutes one or other end to either end. You can imagine that how big that warehouse. Okay, so you can say 7 to 8 levels. So to access that level, you have to use the electric stacker. Okay, either putting the handling in it, or whether retrieve the handling in it. Okay, through the forklifts or the stackers. People will use called forklift or the stackers. Okay, this is the one view, and you can also see another picture. So this is also another typical stackers, hand stackers or pallets or stackers or something like that. Okay, and you can see some kind of other packing materials here. And so if you look at this one is like a pick HU. Okay, this is the trolley. Okay, this is called the trolley. Okay, trolley will use for the picking purpose. Also, these are the boxes. Okay, so what do you do is, this is the in a real time, in a EWM terminology, we call it as a pick HU. That means you are picking the pick HU. Okay, this entire when we put the label, and what do you do is, you will from the bin, you move the products to here. Okay, when you move the product, the bin stock will fall, then the current stock is here. So through the pick HU, you can capture the dynamic stock levels also. So that when you pick it, so for example, you may go for any grocery center, you may not go hand, right? You may take some trolley to pick the products and go to the. So there you may not capture the product if you go to any shops, okay, and you may not capture that, but in a warehouse you have to capture that. Where is the product? If it's a very big warehouse, when you are moving different racking locations, you are picking and keeping here, then you may not capture, you don't know, right, whether stock is in the bin location, whether stock in the pick location. So to capture every physical movement of the product, we capture the even pick HU. Okay, we discussed so much about pick HU, what is how you can do the configuration, all these things, guys. Okay, this is the one kind of the packing material. The trolley is also pick HU. Okay, this is the one. And what else is there? See, this is the stacker. This is the simple electric stacker. Operator is carrying the packing material, packing goods here. Okay. And this is the another semi-electric stacker, where he is capping the handling in it. And this is the forklift guy, and this is the forklift. Okay, I mean stacker. Sorry, not whether it is the stacker. And it acts as a stacker under the even for the forklift also, because I can see this will go up and down. Okay? And this is again typical one. This is the hand one, medium duty. So if at all you want to move the HUs, so you can use simple medium duty aluminum trailers, or some kind of trolleys or something like that. Okay? This is a simple equipments. And this is the another equipment. You can see that how warehouse they will use for this. This is the carts. This is the red color is called a cart. Okay, this is called dollies. This is the rolling ladders. This is the hand trucks. Okay, hand trucks. We want to carry certain packed products. Okay, packed goods. We can use hand trucks also. You can use appliance trucks. You can have box carts. This is the cart. Cart looks like a box cart. This is the self trucks. Okay, you may use for the picking purpose. You may use hand pallet trucks for the to move the HUs, some large HUs. If at all you want to um, access some of the higher ranking one, you may use some first level. First level you can access, ground level you can access, maybe second level. You may use step stands. Okay, under drum trucks, because a lot of warehouse they use for this chemical products also. So drum trucks, this is the platform trucks. Even you can use for the move the HUs. Okay, under drum trucks, some of the waste products they use. Okay, this is a work platform something. These are typical equipments in the warehouse they use. Okay, and you see another image where is the forklift guy. He's trying to. Okay, this is a forklift guy, and he is trying to take the handling in it. This is the already the wrapping is happened already. There are several packed goods. They have wrapped into wrapped as a HU and put into the wooden pallet here. Okay, pallet means wooden pallet or something like that. Okay, so when you pack the goods, if at all I want to put away, if at all I want to retrieve it, you should have a pallet. Without pallet, you cannot retrieve the products to the forklift. Okay, we see the different pallets also. Just a few minutes. Okay, this is another kind of the different stackers. Okay, because the industry may use different type of these stackers, but overall is you should understand that these are the warehouse equipments. Okay, because why you need, you may ask, sir, why you need this one? Why I need to know that? I'm an EWM consultant. As a EWM consultant, you should always define this one as a resources, and you should define as a packaging material. Okay, so you have to define it. You have to create some master data for this, either packing materials, a trailer, or pick HUs. Okay, so that's what you should expose all these things. Then only you will be better positioned to create a master data for that. Okay. And this is another guy. You see, this guy is now, this is the trolley. He is carrying the trolley, and these are the boxes. He will pick the goods from different racking areas or mezzanine location. He will drop the goods. When you drop it, he has to add for the barcode for everything. Okay, or some virtual, or else entire trolley you can have one barcode, so that okay. So when you pick the goods from racking area, assume that when you drop it, when you drop into the anywhere here, so what you do is you scan this barcode. That means source is the pickable location, any bin, and the destination is the pick HU. Pick HU is the destination location. Pick HU. The pick HU is a dynamic bin storage type, and we create a dynamic storage type, the physical area. The trolley itself is a dynamic storage type, dynamic storage bin, and pick HU has a handling unit. Then you can capture the dynamic movements of the handling units. Okay, dynamic movements of the products or HUs. And what else is there? Okay, this is the one. And I will also bring some more apart from the equipments. Okay, packaging materials will play a major role.